Hey everyone, want to export research from NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to save your research notes, summaries, and insights from NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and open the notebook containing your research materials. Next, review your research notes, summaries, and AI-generated responses that you want to export. Now use NotebookLM to organize your findings into a clear format. I mean, creating structured notes before exporting makes your research easier to read and use later. You can ask NotebookLM to create summaries, reports, outlines, study guides, or research briefs based on your sources. Next, select the information you want to save and copy the generated content into your preferred document editor. You can transfer your research into tools like Google Docs or other writing applications to continue editing and formatting. Before finalizing, review your exported content and compare important details with your original NotebookLM sources. Add any additional notes, references, or formatting needed for your research project. Finally, save your exported research document and organize it with your other project files for future access. And that's how to export research from NotebookLM. By organizing your findings and moving them into a final document, you can turn your AI-assisted research into useful reports, notes, and study materials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.